I'm attorney Nick Alcock, and our law firm represents many people who have been charged with drug offenses in Arizona. If you find yourself charged with any type of drug case, it's really important to know that you have an advocate, you've got somebody who's on your side, somebody who understands you. These offenses can be devastating for your career, devastating for your freedom, and there are lots of people who get charged with drug cases for sale or transportation when that's not what their business is, that's not what they do for a living. And the police tend to be very heavy-handed and very unfair in the way that they arrest people. So many times what will happen is a police officer will arrest a person, say that they've got a little bit of drugs on them, say that they've got a phone, and in their phone there's some text messages back and forth about transactions. At that point, then the police officer will say, look, either you give me 6 names or 5 names, or I'm going to charge you with possession of drugs for sale. And unfortunately, this is just how the system works. It's just they put pressure on people, and obviously they want information. And the small fish, the people that just happen to be there, and have a little bit, and maybe there's a transaction or two that's happened, but they're not drug dealers per se. Those people tend to get punished very significantly because they don't have any information to give. They're not in the business, and so they find themselves all of a sudden charged with, a sale case, when in fact they're just somebody who is, doing a friend a favor or giving drugs to somebody. Because unfortunately in Arizona, if you give a controlled substance to a person, that's still a sale. It's still potentially for a conspiracy, that you could still be charged with a felony for transportation or sale of dangerous drugs or narcotic drugs. My advice to you is this, is if you find yourself in a situation, you have to go to Superior Court for a drug case, just give us a call. Our number is 602-989-5000. We've been working here for over 20 years. I absolutely know what to look for, and I know how to navigate a drug case, and I completely understand if you called me and you said, look, I got arrested, a small amount on me, and they put this drug case on me as if I am Pablo Escobar, as if I am someone who does this for a living. I totally understand that because we see that all day long. And we have strategies that we have put in place successfully to help people. We have won plenty of drug cases, and we know what is necessary to get a good outcome. Every case is different. Of course, I can't guarantee an outcome, but what I can guarantee you is that if you give us a call, we're going to get to know you, we're going to get to learn about your unique circumstances and what it is that you need to have happen, and we will then try to do that. We will absolutely work every single day to get you the best outcome that is humanly possible. So my name is Nick Alcock. I'm the owner of Alcock and Associates. Any drug case in Arizona, consultation's free right over the phone. 602-989-5000 is the number. 602-989-5000. Totally confidential. We don't share any information. We just want to help. Thanks so much.